Chickweed, or Stellaria media, is a common annual weed identifiable by its small, star-shaped white flowers, each petal deeply lobed, giving the appearance of 10 petals. The plant grows low to the ground in a sprawling mat and features pairs of small oval leaves. Chickweed thrives in cool, moist environments, often found in gardens, fields, and alongside roads. It prefers shaded or semi-shaded areas and is common across North America, Europe, and many other parts of the world. Growth and edible parts. Chickweed grows rapidly and can often be found year-round, with peaks in spring and fall. It is entirely edible, from its leaves and stems to its flowers and seeds. The plant has a mild, slightly earthy flavor and is often used raw in salads, sandwiches, or as a cooked green, much like spinach. Medicinal parts and uses. Chickweed is valued in herbal medicine primarily for its leaves and stems, which are used both fresh and dried. The plant has a wide range of medicinal applications. Please note, this video is for informational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. I recommend you consult a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Skin conditions. Chickweed is highly regarded for its soothing effects on the skin. It helps alleviate itching and discomfort associated with conditions like eczema, dermatitis, hives, and shingles. It's also effective for minor burns, rashes, including roseola and skin irritations. Pain relief. It acts as an analgesic, providing relief from nerve pain and general discomfort. Digestive health. Chickweed is used to aid digestion and relieve constipation. It supports overall digestive health and helps soothe the gastrointestinal tract. Detoxification and blood purification. Traditionally used to detoxify the body and purify the blood, it's thought to support liver function and promote the elimination of toxins. Circulatory system. The herb is used for varicose veins, promoting better circulation and reducing inflammation. Anti-infective properties. It's applied to skin infections such as boils and herpes, and is even used in the treatment of venereal diseases. Immune support. Chickweed has been used in preventing infections like tetanus. Harvesting. Chickweed should be harvested when it's vibrant and healthy, typically before it flowers for the best medicinal quality. It can be cut just above the base of the plant, allowing it to regrow. For drying, gather the plant on a dry day to avoid mold and dry it quickly in a well-ventilated, shady spot. Cautions. While chickweed is considered safe for most people, it can cause allergic reactions in those sensitive to plants in the carnation family. It should not be used medicinally by nursing or pregnant women without consulting a physician. This versatile weed, often overlooked, holds significant potential in natural medicine, offering benefits from digestive health to skincare and beyond. However, as with all herbal remedies, proper identification and consultation with a healthcare provider are essential before beginning any new treatment.